Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a code space in GitHub for your repository. This is a powerful feature that allows you to set up a complete development environment directly in your browser, making it easy to start coding without any local setup. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account that contains the repository you want to work with. After signing in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage. Now direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. This panel gives you quick access to all your projects. Click on the repository for which you want to create a code space. Selecting the right repository is important because the code space will be specifically configured for that project's environment and dependencies. Once you've opened your chosen repository, look towards the top right area of the page. You'll see a green button labeled Code. This button is your gateway to several options for working with your repository. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with different choices. In this drop-down menu, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Codespaces tab. This section is dedicated to managing your cloud-based development environments. Here, you'll see any existing code spaces you might have created previously for this repository, or it will be empty if this is your first time. Now, to set up your new development environment, click the Create Codespace button. This action will initiate the process of building your code space. GitHub will start preparing a complete development environment tailored to your repository. Depending on the size and complexity of your project, this might take a minute or two as GitHub sets up the necessary tools, extensions, and configurations. Once the setup is complete, your code space will open directly in your browser, giving you access to a full-featured code editor with terminal access, file management, and all the tools you need to start working on your project immediately. You can now begin coding, running commands, and managing your repository without needing anything installed locally on your computer. And there you have it, you've successfully created a code space in GitHub for your repository, giving you instant access to a fully configured development environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.